Nestled among the hills so green, Kongsa shines with a peaceful gleam. Morning mist and sky so blue, a land of beauty fresh and true. Rivers flow and forests stand, nature's blessing on this land. With every dawn the town awakens, a place where hope is never shaken. Oh, Kongsa town, our pride, our home. Through every valley and hill we roam, your beauty shines, your legacy stays, guiding our future through brighter days. Hand in hand we will move ahead, building dreams where our forebears led. Oh, Kongsa town, the heart of our area, forever will be united in hope and prosperity. Stories of courage pass through time, echo in every path we climb. The wisdom of elders lights the way, preserving our culture day by day. Tradition strong, heart sincere, a legacy we hold so dear. The spirit of our people grows like a mighty tree whose roots run deep below. New roads rising, young minds reaching ever higher. Progress comes with vision clear, a brighter future drawing near. Together we stand, together we grow, planting seeds for tomorrow. Oh, Kongsa town, our pride, our home, a beacon of hope wherever we roam. From treasured past to future bright, we'll carry your name with all our might. Beauty, legacy, dreams untold, a town of promise worth more than gold. Oh, Kongsa town, forever will be a symbol of growth, peace, and unity. Stories of courage pass through time, echo in every path we climb. The wisdom of elders lights the way, preserving our culture day by day. Tradition strong, heart sincere, a legacy we hold so dear. The spirit of our people grows like a mighty tree whose roots run deep below. My sweet town.